It's a 2013 Lexus LS460. Style and comfort, performance and control, indulgence. In this Lexus, you get it all. It comes with all the amenities you need. Streaming audio, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rear view mirror, doors and push button start proximity key, driver memory seats, V8 engine, power sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. Automobile declares, look up ride comfort and suspension compliance in your automotive dictionary and there will be a picture of the Lexus LS460. Inspired design, relentless innovation, incredible performance. That is the DNA of a Lexus. The time is now. See it for yourself today.
Thank you for looking at this quality pre-owned vehicle from Audi Cary, a Leith dealership. We're located at 600 Auto Park Boulevard in Cary, North Carolina.